Hey guys, it's been a while. Today I'm talking about engineering. Yeah, so you might have noticed the lab looks a lot different. The reason is because we revamped it, adding the logo. Anyway, I am going to talk about what engineering is, why it's important, and the different types of engineering. So let's get into it. But first, engineering is when you solve problems. If you want a more advanced meaning, you can also say that engineering is the practice of using natural science, mathematics, and the engineering design process to solve technical problems, increase efficiency and productivity, and improve systems. How do engineers solve problems? Using the engineering process. And a lot of you guys at this point would be like, bro, what is that? I'll tell you what it is. It is the way engineers get a solution to a problem. First, you have to define the problem. Second, you have to research on the problem. Third, you have to brainstorm on the problem and think of a solution. Make more than one so that if one you choose doesn't work, you can try a different one. Fourth, you have to select a solution out of all the solutions you thought of. Fifth, design and develop the solution. Sixth, build a prototype. It's good to build a prototype before you actually make it, although not every aspect of engineering needs this. Now here's the fun part. Testing. Test your solution. Just know that there might be errors in your solution, and just know that it's okay if it happens. Engineers never give up if something doesn't go right. In fact, they always think that there's something wrong unless if there isn't. Step 8. Redesign. If something goes wrong, and believe me, something will go wrong, you should redesign your solution. You should improve your solution so that it gets better. Step 9, communicate. Communicate your product. Also, if the solution that you selected if the solution that you decided to try in step 5 didn't work, then you can choose another one that you thought of in step 4. And that's the engineering process. And also just know that you might have to redo the process again and again and again. Not everyone does it and it works at the first try. Even Mercedes-Benz had to change their car a lot of times. So that's it. But before we go on, let me ask you a question. How many steps does the engineering process have? Type it in the comments below, and I'll give a shout out in the next video to who got it right. Now I'm going to tell you different types of engineers. Our first type of engineering is called civil engineering. It's the type of people who make stuff like bridges, roads, and lots more. Examples are Joseph Strauss, John Augustus Roebling, and Leon Moisseiff. What's up, Default? Hey guys, so this is Default, my friend, and he's going to tell you about mechanical engineering. So, Default, what is mechanical engineering? Thank you for the opportunity to be on this show. Mechanical engineering is the study of physical machines that may involve force and movement. So can you give any examples of mechanical engineers? So there are some examples of mechanical engineers. Nikola Tesla, Carl Benz, and Henry Ford. Okay, thank you very much. You're welcome. Next up, aerospace engineering. Aerospace engineers are engineers that make aircrafts and spacecrafts. If you don't know what that is, an aircraft is the plane that you fly on. And a spacecraft is, I think, a spaceship or something. Examples are C.E. Woolman, and that's the only one I'm going to give. There's also electrical engineering, and that focuses on designing, manufacturing, and implementing electrical systems for buildings, transport, construction, and infrastructure. Examples are Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, and Michael Faraday. Computer engineering is a branch of engineering specialized in developing computer hardware and software. Examples are Mark Zuckerberg, Larry Page, and Linus Torvalds. Meta, Google, Linux. Software engineering is a field that within computer science focuses on designing, testing, and maintaining software applications. Examples are Jimmy Wales, my dad, and Ada Lovelace. And there are still lots more of engineering types. But if you want to dig deeper, just Google types of engineering and you'll get the stuff that's there. At least that's what I did. So I think that's all for this episode. Next episode, we'll dive deeper into the world of engineering. But for now, I shall see you next time. Bye!